If you're looking for a working The5ers discount code, this video will show you how to claim an instant discount on your next The5ers Challenge purchase. Right now, you can get 10% off The5ers Challenges by using the discount code DSQ5CY during checkout. Whether you're planning to join the Hypergrowth Program, High Stakes Challenge, or Bootcamp Program, this code can help you save money on your purchase. So let me show you exactly how to use it. First, click the The5ers sign up link in the description below. Once the website opens, click the Get Funded button. Now create your account using your email address and verify your email to continue. After signing in, you'll see the available funding programs. You can choose Hypergrowth, High Stakes, Bootcamp, or any other program based on your trading goals. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the Hypergrowth program, but you can choose any plan that fits your needs. Now select your preferred trading platform and account balance. Keep in mind that as you increase the account balance, the challenge fee will also increase. Once you've made your selections, you'll arrive at the checkout page. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the discount code section. Simply enter the discount code DSQ5CY and click the Apply Code button. You should immediately see the price reduced by 10%. After the discount has been applied, proceed to the billing section and complete your payment. Once your order is confirmed, you'll receive access to your challenge and can begin your funded trading journey. And that's it! You've successfully applied the The5ers discount code and claimed your 10% discount. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to all coupon codes for more exclusive coupon codes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.